Alright, this is looking at the Livio NPR radio and Tivoli Model 1. So they're basically both simple tabletop radios. It's got, each one is one speaker design. The Model 1's as simple as it gets. There's volume, on, AM and FM switch, and then this really what I would describe as sturdy tuner, and you can see it actually is pretty accurate, and it goes kind of slow. You can see that there's like a little indicator here, and then it's got the AM and FM sort of numbers. Nice wood case, comes in certain colors in wood. The Livio though is completely different. It's internet radio, so there's a little screen here. It's got a clock, date. This particular one is the NPR one. They also have a branded one for Pandora. It has a headphone outlet on the front as well, and then some simple buttons here, and then it's got a sort of a scroll and click type button. It's like a plastic type case. Looking on the back of each, kind of similar. There's a couple inputs for both of them. DC in obviously works wireless, and also has a Ethernet LAN jack, so you can plug your cable in there. Stereo line out, and also auxiliary in, and it's got the sort of the base port tube type thing coming out the back there. The Tivoli comes basically with a little wired antenna, but you can actually put that to a more sophisticated external antenna. It's got a selector here to use the internal antenna in case you just want to lose this thing. You can do that. Then it's got aux in as well. Headphones out, but it's on the back here. Recording out, and then it's got another type of DC adapter, but it's also got just this sort of standard plug as well for the AC, and its base port tube thingy is on the it's on the bottom here. So they both sound fairly good, but it is mono, it's single speaker, so it's not going to shake the house. The Tivoli has a really, what I would say, a pretty long power cord, so sometimes gadgets don't have as good a cord, but this thing is pretty good. It's it reaches quite a ways, and the Livio is more of just that standard length. So they're both cool and different radios. The price points on them, these are this is a little cheaper, and obviously this needs a radio or an internet connection to work. It's also nice, even though this is the NPR one, you can sync it up with your Pandora account, so you can get all your Pandora ones. But there's something like 20,000 stations worldwide you can get on this, while this is just whatever's over your air.